In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails into Slack. Everyone knows keeping up with emails can often become overwhelming, and sometimes necessary information gets buried under a mountain of correspondence. Imagine a world where you could easily forward important emails straight into Slack, ensuring your team always stays updated in real time and all pertinent information is in one easily accessible place. To start this process, you first need to head over to Slack and open the workspace where you'd like to forward your email. It's essential to make sure you're in the right channel or direct message because that's where your emails will appear. Once you're in the correct place, go ahead and click on the channel or the direct message. This will allow Slack to generate a unique email address specifically for that destination. Next, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the Slack website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. Upon logging in, you should be effortlessly directed to your workspace. Whether you're doing this for personal use or your entire company, bear in mind that this step is crucial for security and ensuring the privacy of your communication. Upon obtaining access to your workspace, look to the top left of your interface. You'll notice options. Click on the More button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the list, select Preferences. Navigating through Slack's settings effectively is key to managing your workflow, so it's beneficial to familiarize yourself with this section. Once inside the Preferences menu, locate and click on Messages and Media. This option unlocks various settings related to how messages are handled within your Slack. In this section, you'll scroll down until you find Bring Email into Slack. It's quite self-explanatory. Click on the link that allows you to create a forwarding address. This feature is incredibly useful for ensuring emails are captured and seen as part of your regular Slack communication. Slack will guide you through creating an appropriate email address. Make sure it's something easy to remember, as this will be the email address you'll use to forward emails. After creating your address, copy it. This is your direct line to Slack, turning traditional emails into Slack messages, creating a streamlined funnel for information. Now, it's time to head over to your email provider. Log in and navigate to the Settings section, which is often found under Account or straight up labeled as Settings. It's commonly in the top right corner. Once there, look for an option related to forwarding or automated rules. This is where you input the Slack email address you've just created. It's vital to ensure emails get forwarded correctly, and having this set up means never missing an important update again. Congratulations! You've now set up email forwarding to Slack, enhancing your team's productivity and communication by merging these platforms elegantly.